Hi, welcome back. Today you're learning chicken preparation and marination using both wet and dry techniques. These are the ingredients that you will need to prepare and marinate your chicken. The first dry marinade is using CAJUN seasoning. First, make sure to salt and brine your chicken and wash it thoroughly. Make sure to remove the slime off the chicken, and once done, drain well. After draining, you can pat dry your chicken to make sure that it does not contain any excess moisture. You may use gloves to ensure that you are preparing your food safely. Next is to cut your chicken breast fillets into cubes or strips. Since we will be marinating this in advance, it is preferred to cut it in small pieces so that when we cook it, it is already in bite-sized servings. But if you prefer the chicken breast to be whole, you can absolutely do so. Once you have cut up all your chicken, mix all your spices together and add in your aromatics. You can use a rubber scraper, a spatula, or use your hand to massage and rub the chicken pieces with your dry rub marinade. Once done, transfer to an airtight container and let it rest for at least 30 minutes before you pop it in the freezer. You can keep this as long as 6 months in the freezer. Remember, when you're going to use it, you'll have to thaw it completely before cooking it in a pan. And here I am placing it in a Ziploc bag. Just make sure to evenly space it out so that it will freeze well, and I am labeling it so that I will know what it is when I remove it from the freezer. Alright, next we have our wet marinade. I'm teaching you Japanese chicken teriyaki. Again, same with the earlier process, you just need to take your thigh or leg quarter fillets, add a bit of salt, brine it, and wash it thoroughly until all the slime is gone. You can also opt to trim off some of the excess fat, but please make sure to leave the skin on. We want our chicken teriyaki to be juicy, so we leave the skin on. Next, in a separate bowl, we include our aromatics in ginger and garlic, and we measure up our liquid ingredients. We mix it together, make sure everything is well combined and well dissolved. And then we can add in our chicken. Using our gloves, we can also massage the marinade into the chicken. And then once you are done, you can leave this in the bowl covered and chilled for 1 to 4 hours before you freeze it. Or you can put it directly into the Ziploc bag where you're going to keep it in the freezer. Close and chill it for 1 to 4 hours still before you freeze it so that the marinade seeps into your chicken. Don't forget to label your container so you will know what you have kept in the freezer. Alright, that is it. Thank you. Stay tuned next week and I will show you how to cook all of these marinated meats. Bye!